Merida, Mexico right now, and we're out here for my fall break. Very exciting. The weather is great, a little humid. I'm here for a weekend and a little more. Originally I was actually supposed to go to Puerto Rico, but my flight got cancelled because there was a storm. So my mom and I ended up just booking last minute tickets to Mexico, and we're going to be staying here for the next 4 days, doing some exploring, of course. We're all double vaxxed and we went through all the COVID procedures, so very safe. And this is some exciting stuff because I haven't been traveling in a minute, so we're going to do some exploring.
Y la mandarina 10.
We are on day 2 of our trip here. Yesterday was so much fun. It was just a bunch of just walking around, getting to know the city, and apparently Merida is considered the safest Mexican city. I first thought it was because there's a lot of tourists, but no, there are not a lot of tourists here. One, partially because of COVID, but two, because all the cartel families are here, so you don't want to be messing with the cartels. So I'm currently at Uxmal, and it is it's a UNESCO heritage site outside of and besides Chichen Itza. This is one of the other bigger ones, and it's just like a Mayan ruin. Very pretty, very intricate. It's so hot. Everyone here is wearing masks, so as you should. It's very pretty. Love it. Hello, sir.
Ando buscando colores que en el alma tenía, no los puedo encontrar, no los puedo encontrar.
It's so pretty here, but it's so hot.
El color de mi tristeza y el color de mi alegría. Mi color
It is so hot. It is so pretty. Living my best life.
Grises negros me atropellan, empujados desde afuera. Me los quiero sacar, me los quiero sacar. Y entre el oscuro y gritos voy buscando el cielo de donde soy. Y los colores.
We're gonna go eat lunch now. Trying to find a place because it's Sunday right now, so a lot of the places are closed. So it's a little adventure.
Me las quiero guardar. pedacitos de pan. Hachas cortaron el verde donde el tiempo crecía, tinajas del silencio, sombras para volar.
Yeah. Oh, 10 minutes.
Ando buscando el misterio que el misterio tenía, la canción.
Number 2 of Mayan ruin. This one we're able to actually hike up the entire thing. It's still very hot. Wow. 这怎么那么斜啊？Oh my god！
哪一边比较好爬？
这个，哦。
太小心了，不要再弄脏机了。 嗯哼。
耶！哇，好热。看 BTS。哇！ Hello, rise and shine. We are now on day 3 and it's our last full day here in Mexico. We actually have a pretty full packed day, so that's why we kept really early. Apparently we're able to go see flamingos in like the wild at this one part. However, it's not in season right now, so that's why we had to get up a little earlier. And it's 7 a.m. and we're about to start today's adventure.
Los parayos, por el momento, se resguardan detrás de los árboles de mangle.
We made it to the flamingo area, but because it's off season, we're not exactly sure if we're able to see any. Hopefully we do, but we'll test our luck. finished eating lunch. Oh my gosh, I love Mexican food. But we did our tour about the flamingos. All in all, I think it would be really good if you were to come visit Merida. It would be really good to like take a look at it only during peak season of the flamingos, which I believe are June, July. Oh no. It was November through April, and then the rest, like the down season, there were flamingos, but there weren't as many as like the photos. So you can take that into consideration. And the food, we just had lunch, delicious, divine. It was like $7 in total for both of us. And I think there's the dragon fruit, I think it's called like papaguate, I think, don't quote me on that, but that's really good. So if you get a chance, please try that out. And now we're just gonna head over to a cenote to do some swimming. I visited one a couple years ago, also in Mexico. Great experience, and this is my mom's first time, so she's very excited. Yeah. Oh, no necesito. Gracias.
La critican porque odia usar tacones, no le gusta ir a fiestas y lee libros por deporte. Quiero que aparezca, presumirle a mis amigos como la primera que me robó el corazón. Oh no, 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 déjame explicarte que te quiero y no te conozco, no te tengo. Déjame contarte que te sueño, la mujer perfecta para mí.
Good morning! We are on our final few hours in Mexico right now. These past few days have been amazing, especially the weather. Just like clear blue skies, sunshine. Definitely gonna be missing that. But today is going to be much more relaxed compared to the last few days because we're trying to get a few things done. Yesterday, let me tell you about yesterday. Yesterday, after the cenotes were definitely a go. Don't try, like from my experience, don't try to go find a cenote by yourself because one, it's going to be dangerous. Two, the roads in Mexico and Google Maps are not reliable at all. Just go with what the tourists do, because even though it's going to be a little bit more expensive than to like go find a cenote that's a little more off trail, know that you're just gonna be a lot safer going with what the tourists do. And on top of that, so yesterday's cenote was a little expensive. Well, all in all, I don't think it was that expensive. It was 600 pesos for a maximum of 4 people on like the trolley. So if you're with your friends, family, it'll come down to 150 per person, which is very, very reasonable. You go on a trolley ride, which was almost like, all in all together, it was probably around an hour-long trolley ride back and forth. And on top of that, you guys go to see 3 cenotes, and they're all very, very, very beautiful. It's definitely in like caverns, as you saw inside the video, and you got the whole place to yourself, probably because COVID and probably also because it was a Monday. But yeah, today we're going to get our COVID test, then we're gonna go head over to this yellow town called Izamal, and it, on the photos, it looks beautiful. And we'll just be heading back to the United States.